Hi guys, in this video we're going to go through the recent updates since the January 2024 of the eligibility criteria in the Snapchat Spotlight program. A lot of people have been asking me what is changing and what are the new requirements that you should be considering when you're creating content. Let's go over the numbers and let's see what they're really asking you for. First of all, to be eligible as a creator, you must be a legal resident of eligible countries. There is a list of countries that are eligible to participate in the program, guys. So even if you match all the other criteria, but this one is not matching, you cannot qualify. The second one is that you must to have a public set profile, okay? Your profile cannot be private. The third requirement over here is that your Snapchat account must be at least 1 month old. This means that they're not interested into allowing bots or brand new accounts that were repurchased from the internet to start getting monetized, okay? The fourth requirement is that you must have at least 1000 followers. This is the fourth requirement. So you might have 1, 2 or 3, but if you don't have all 4 together, you're still not qualified, guys. Then this is just a qualification. Now you want to make sure that your content is eligible for monetization and making money. Here are the 3 requirements to be eligible and your content to be eligible to earn money. The first requirement is that your content must have accumulated at least 10,000 unique video views. So Snapchat update algorithm has the ability to match the fake views and fake engagement. So they're only going to pay you and qualify your videos if your 10,000 views are unique and real. The second requirement eligibility over here is that your content must have included at least 10 unique snaps submitted on at least 5 different days. This means that if you look at 1 week scheduled posts, you need to have at least 5 days of this week within this time frame with posts. You cannot just drop all of your posts at one day. This simply shows that you're consistent and you keep coming and using the platform. So this means that you're producing content every single day for your viewers, so you keep your viewers on the platform as well. This is the whole idea behind this. And this is the third eligibility criteria that is brand new and almost no one knows about it. So guys, pay very close attention, okay? If you don't do this, you're not gonna get qualified, you're not gonna get money, even if you have million views. So each and every of your new content creations that is published on Snapchat must have at least 5 snaps utilizing Snapchat creative tools, lenses, filters, or sounds. This means that when you create your content, you gotta use some of these tools, okay? You cannot just post your regular editings. You need to use lenses, you need to use filters, or you need to use sounds. One of it, all of it, you choose, but this is how you are going to get eligible to start making money on Snapchat. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.